Okay, this is our Bridgeport Milling machine. It's got the 42-inch table. It's got a 4-axis digital readout system. It's got the variable speed head, power feed in the x-axis. So I'm going to run through the machine now, show you it running on the video demo, but obviously you want to come and see it in real life. So once you've watched the video demo and you're happy, please come down and see it in real life and have a go, put a job on, whatever you want to do, make sure it's the right machine for you. Okay, so this one has had a regrind to the X and Y axes. So the X and the Y have all been reground, the terse-site and coated gib strips all been scraped in. It's also had the top of the table reground and the two sides to ensure that everything is square and true. New lead screws X, Y and Z, new nuts and so on. Bearings, all the bearings of the entire machine have been replaced, the variable speed head, the quill, the knee bearing, everything's been done. Full lube service, so all new distribution valves, they've all been replaced. There's new lube pipe as well. There's actually a new lube pump. So there's an awful lot of new parts on this particular machine. Okay, so I'll just run you through. You can see there's almost no backlash at all in the X there. It's lovely and smooth. Same with the Y. Almost no backlash at all, just enough to keep it running smooth. Absolutely lovely. Near the knees, absolutely silent, new bearings in there and so on. So that's absolutely lovely. All the locks work, so the Y lock works, the two X ones here all work, all functioning, and the knee lock works as well. It has actually got two additional locks for the knee down here. Whether you'll use them or not, I'm not so sure. This one's probably fine for what you're going to need. Okay, so powering up on the X. Variable speed, of course. So that's about as slow as you can get it going. You see it's still moving on the X here. And you can wrap it override at any time. Take your finger off, it goes back to feed. The same in reverse. Wrap it override. Take your finger off, it goes back to feed. Right, so underneath here, you can see the stops there for the power feed. Here's and underneath there's another additional stop. So as long as you don't take this off, you don't take those stops out, you find the power feed won't touch anything, your scale at the back will all be fine. So just don't let anyone take those off. Move them around as much as you like, just don't take them off, you'll be absolutely fine. Okay, so moving on now to the variable speed head and the quill. You hear the head's running absolutely super quiet. There's loads of new parts in the head. So I've got the power feed on. See it's feeding down in this head there. You can turn it off with two fingers. Correct. That's the highest feed rate now. There's the slowest. There's the medium. They're all working fine. I'll just reverse it for you as well. You see the reverse is working. You know, there's a quill lock underneath here, that's all working good as well. So we're going to go up and down the variable speed ranges now to let you see it go all the way from the bottom to the highest. And also I'm going to put it into low range as well in a minute. Okay? That's the lowest, that's 500 RPM. In high range. That's all the way up to about 2,700. That's 2,000. Back down to a more sensible 1,000. Hitting the brake just to show you that it does work. It's obviously you wouldn't use it for slowing the spindle down. It's purely for taking the drawbar out. This is reverse now, sorry. Super quiet. 2,000 now. And back down to 1,000. Okay, so I'm going to change to low range now, but I'm just going to move this handle out of the way first. It tends to be just in the wrong position. Move that out of the way. Push the handle in. Turn. Make sure it's locked in to the low range before you fire up. Fire it up in low, it's just as quiet. RPM in low. Reverse now. .340 in low. About 180 in low. And then back down to 50. So it's absolutely beautiful in every spindle speed, you know. Okay, so now we're going to change from low to high. Before we do that, we're going to change to neutral. So the handles have that position just there. You'll see that the three wheels are neutral, no problem at all. And then now I'm going to change to high. Okay, make sure it's locked in again. Firing up, you can see it changes just fine. Okay, so if you're not using the quill for any length of time, just disengage it here. Otherwise, you're just wearing out needlessly. If you're not doing any fine boring, you just don't need it running away there to itself. So we'll ship it in disengage. So just note that. If you find it's not spinning when you first get it, it's just purely it's not engaged there. It's just move that handle. It moves to the bottom, doesn't go over the top, it moves to the bottom. Okay. Okay, so yeah, machine's all running great. Please come down and see it for yourself in real life. Yeah, ready to go. Well, as you've got the interlock guard, all that's ready as well. Thanks a lot for watching.